Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurs, and today I am doing another Birchbox opening. I was going to show you the front of it, but however, the front has my address. And I have not actually opened this one. I actually told my mom to wait. Of course, it came yesterday, so honestly, she didn't have to wait very long. And it says happy birthday to me because my birthday month is April. So I'm just going to open it. I have no idea if they do anything special for your birthday month. They give you a special gift or anything like that. I don't remember from last year if it did. No, not last year. 2 years ago when I used to do this. So I guess we'll find out. I like the way the box looks. So right away after opening it is a letter and some paper behind my gift wrap paper. It says, "This is the beginning of a new Birchbox experience, and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. So like it, hate it, we want to know," and it tells you a phone number which you can text. It says even text us. On the back, it tells you the items. I'm sorry if you can't see it. Of the items and the price of the full size prices. And it tells you a little bit about the products. I'm going to make this clear, I might not actually review or try these products for review because they usually just give you sample sizes, and you can't exactly try sample sizes because a lot of times for skincare products or hair care products, you need more than just 2 doses to really get an idea if it will help you with your skin or your hair, because it takes a lot of time to get that stuff working. So the only stuff that I will be reviewing is stuff that is easy to review right away. Makeup removers, makeup, stuff like that is easy to just review. So I want to let that out that I will most likely not try or review them unless if it's those 2 items. I will also sell the items I do not want if my mother doesn't want them instead. So I just want to let that out also so you understand what I'm talking about. The last time I got this box, really didn't notice the first time around when I was starting doing box openings, but I noticed that last time none of the products really had directions on how to use them. So I'm going to actually pay attention to this time. Now the first thing that pops up is Birchbox, $15 off your next order. And it says, as small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $15 off your next $60 plus shop order. Use code SAVE15 at the check. So I'm going to put that code down below so you guys can use it too. I really wish this would go to the next box and then I could have like an entire box free. Right, first item, I haven't even looked at the front of it yet. Now I might pronounce some of these words wrong because my lingual is not that great. Marcelle or Marcella City Multi-Protection Tinted Cream SPF 25 light to medium. Full size is $22. Protect your complexion from pollution and harmful UV rays with this does-it-all tinted cream that moisturizes, primes, and provides light coverage. Now, it's supposed to be a cream. Now, the thing is my skin tone is very difficult to kind of get right. I have like an olive yellow tone skin color. And luckily I find some here and there, but there's always just a little bit off. And I should be mixing foundations to get accurate, but girl, you know how long that takes. So, it looks kind of dark for my skin tone, believe it or not. Maybe. I don't know if you can see that. It kind of goes in with my hand really well. Like, you can't tell it's on my hand at all. But you are not supposed to really test foundations and concealers on your hand because your hand is actually a different color than your face, because your hands are out and about getting like a suntan half the time when you're driving and all that, and just usually your hands and your arms are a little bit darker than your face. So I don't know. This might be something I actually might have to try myself and not sell because it kind of looks like it could, you know? Well, I'll see. It's spelt TPSY. I'm going to call it Tipsy for the hell of it. Lip Crush Lip Oil Sweet Tooth. Full size is $14. This sweetly scented stain hydrates your lips while adjusting to their natural pH, imparting a just for your hue that lasts all day. So let's try this out. I have lipstick on right now. Matter of fact, my lips like, bitch, I'm gonna go all over here. Let's see. It's supposed to tint, but I can't test that because I already have lipstick on. Kind of has a candy flavor to it. Oh, definitely got Lawson's. Well, since I already put my lipstick on this, I'm not going to sell it. But I'll use it for a gloss. I don't know if it's going to really stain my lips too much. I'll have to test that tomorrow. Alright, the next is 100% pure green tea EGCG concentrate cream. Full size is $45. Packed with the powerful antioxidant EGCG found in green tea, this moisturizer heals and protects skin from environmental damage. Highly nutrient-rich moisturizer softens and fortifies skin. The potent antioxidant from green tea protects against environmental... Oh, this one actually tells you directions. After cleanser and serum, apply quarter-size amount to face and neck. Gently massage and press into skin, taking care not to pull or tug. Can be used in the AM or PM. So this one actually does give you like directions. I wonder if this one does. This one gives you directions. So I'm glad to see at least 2 of the products so far actually have directions. Now I'm almost 100% sure I'm going to mispronounce this. Juara Candlenut Body Cream. This is what I mean. You give me a sample size and you expect me to put on my body. Where on my body? How much on my body? And will this be enough to really make me figure out if I want it? This velvety candlenut oil formula inspired by Balinese recipes penetrates deep into dry skin, rough skin for instant non-greasy softness that lasts and lasts. There's also directions on this. Apply on skin anytime it feels dry. Enjoy Juara's signature velvety and Bali-inspired fragrance. Dermatitis. Dermatologist tested. 100% vegetarian. Free of parabens, phthalates, and harsh chemicals. It doesn't tell you where on your body, so I'm guessing you could probably put it on your face, your hands, feet. I don't like the smell of it. It's very familiar to me. I can't quite pinpoint where the smell comes from, but I don't like it. Will I still test it? Yeah, I will. Amika Un.Done Volume and Matte Texture Spray. I think I've actually gotten this once 2 years ago, but it was a different type. But it was still Amika. Full size is $25. By the way, the last one was $35 full size. This, for a boost of body and tousled texture, sans stickiness, mist on this styling spray. Sea buckhorn berry adds shine while natural mineral zeolite builds volume. I'm not going to test it on my hair. Honestly, I'm wearing a hat because I just got off of work and my hair is like really sweaty because I was lifting a lot of boxes and everything today. So, a hat day. Didn't even want to straighten my hair because, girl, it would fry. So, kind of excited for these. I always like to try these things because there's a lot of times where I just kind of go out without showering for a couple days because I'm schizoaffective and there's just days where I become dissociated and it's hard for me to do anything. Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow. Eclipse. Full size is $10. Shimmer and shine with this long-lasting, crease-free liquid shadow in metallic rose gold shade. Swipe across your lids, then blend layer for a more intensity. How do they know I like rose gold? I love rose gold. So it is I don't know if you can tell, it is a liquid one. Oh, it's nice and smooth. Look at that. I like when something feels smooth. Oh, that's really bright. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Maybe. It's gonna add it in. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm just testing it. Just testing it. This girl got the testings occasionally. That's pretty. I'll probably look 100% better when I just put it on without the stuff underneath. I like the texture of it. It's really soft against the skin. Easy to apply. Very easy. I'm definitely going to do a makeup video with this eventually. I'm going to put it off to the side. So, things I'll probably review are these 2 things. Because these are actually makeup I can try and figure out. I'm not sure about these 2 because they're skin products. Usually you need a couple of days or an amount after a week or 2 or even a month to test it to see if it really makes a difference. So I don't think I'm going to probably do reviews on these unless I get the full product I'm probably going to keep them and still use them because girl always needs moisturizer and lotion. And this, I'll have to think about it. So I might actually not sell any of these products. I might not even give any to my mom because I could use all of this. So yeah, I actually did good this month. Last month I got rid of like 5 things. No, JK, got rid of like 4. Gave a couple to my mom. So this is what it looks like. I'm so glad that we went through all that. I didn't miss anything. Yeah, so if you'd like to see more videos like this, review more products, just tell me down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.